There is a famous saying in negotiation: the person who is willing to walk away has all the power. Most men live their lives in fear. They are afraid of losing their girlfriend. They are afraid of losing their job. They are afraid of losing friends. Because of this fear, they accept disrespect. They accept low pay. They accept bad behavior. Today I am going to teach you the most important rule of social dynamics, the law of least interest. This law states that in any relationship, the person who cares the least holds the most power. I am not telling you not to care about people. I am telling you to care about your self-respect more. The moment you show someone that you are afraid to lose them, you have already lost. Evolution has wired us to undervalue things that are easy to get. If you are always there, always available, and always begging for attention, you have zero value. But the moment you are willing to turn your back and walk away, your value skyrockets. Why does walking away work so effectively? It triggers the scarcity principle. When you walk away, you are signaling abundance. You are telling the world, I have other options. I do not need this deal. I do not need this relationship to be happy. This confidence is incredibly attractive. It makes people wonder, what does he know that I don't? Why is he so secure? Let's apply this to dating. If a woman is playing games with you, ignoring your texts, or disrespecting your time, most men try harder. They chase, they argue. This is weak. The high-value move is to withdraw your attention completely. Do not be angry. Do not write a long emotional paragraph. Just walk away. Silence is the ultimate answer. When you remove your attention, she feels the loss. She realizes that you are not desperate. Often, this is the exact moment she will start chasing you. Let's apply this to business. If you are negotiating a salary or a deal and you say, I really need this, they will offer you the lowest price possible. But if you say, this does not meet my requirements, thank you for your time, and you start to leave, they will panic. They will suddenly find a way to offer you more money. Why? Because they know they cannot control you. But here is the catch. You cannot fake this. You have to actually be willing to lose the deal. You have to be willing to be single. You have to be willing to be alone rather than be with people who do not respect you. This requires a strong mindset. You need to build a life that you love so that adding someone to it is a bonus, not a necessity. Walking away is not about being cold or heartless. It is about setting boundaries. It is about saying, I respect myself too much to let you treat me like this. The next time you feel like you are being taken for granted, do not fight. Do not complain. Just pack your bags, look them in the eye, and walk away. You will be surprised at how fast they run after you. Master the art of detachment, and you will never be powerless again. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. I will see you in the next one.